So part 3, I was able to show you now how you can feed your fuel line. And what I did is I took a little slit on the end of the fuel line of the new one, and you would just put a little slit right there so that you can get it started into the hole, and then try to like start twisting the tubing inward, or maybe use this tiny pin screwdriver to push it in just a little bit to get it go, and twist and push it in and feed it out to where you can have this one sitting here at the moment, and then you feed this other line. This one's just a little thicker than the other one, so there's a whole size differences here. And this one here goes to the fuel. So you'll have to remember that the ones that you took out of here and the length of it here is where I was at. So here's the old one right here. So I figured about the same right there. And then put your fuel filter on. It's like a little sponge feeling like. And then put that back inside and pull this up a little bit. Not so much on that. But this one needs to be pulled in. That inner one there needs to be pulled up and to be up on the top here. Just the way you saw it. And then you can install this on, feed your fuel line in, and trim them. Okay, I hope that helps and give you an idea what you need to do here on this next step.